When it comes to long-term investments, two of the most popular options are the S&P 500 and gold. The S&P 500 is a stock market index that tracks the performance of the 500 largest publicly traded companies in the U.S., while gold is a precious metal that has been a store of value for centuries. To determine which is the better long-term investment, it is essential to understand the key characteristics of each. The S&P 500 has historically provided higher returns over the long term, with an average annual return of around 10%. However, it is also more volatile, with the potential for significant losses in any given year. Gold, on the other hand, has traditionally been seen as a safe haven asset, with a lower average annual return of around 4%, but also with lower volatility. In terms of practical examples, the S&P 500 has outperformed gold over the long term, with the index increasing in value by over 1,000% over the past 30 years, while gold has increased in value by around 300% over the same period. However, gold has also performed well during times of economic uncertainty, such as the 2008 financial crisis, when the S&P 500 plummeted in value. Best practices for investing in either the S&P 500 or gold include dollar cost averaging, which involves investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of the market conditions. It is also essential to diversify your portfolio by investing in a range of different assets to minimize risk. Ultimately, the decision between the S&P 500 and gold will depend on your individual investment goals and risk tolerance. If you are looking for higher returns over the long term and are willing to take on more risk, the S&P 500 may be the better option. However, if you are looking for a safe haven asset with lower volatility, gold may be the better choice. It is also worth considering a combination of both, as this can provide a balanced portfolio with the potential for higher returns and lower risk. By understanding the key characteristics of each and following best practices, you can make an informed decision and achieve your long-term investment goals.